Welcome back, everybody. My name is Kristi Dourian. I'm a loan originator at First Financial Bank and an in-house partner with Dana Simmons Real Estate. This is Mortgage 101, and today we're talking about homebuyer readiness. So, what can I do to get ready for the home purchase process? The first thing I want to say is that it's never too soon. If you're thinking you might be ready right now or you might be heading that way, the best time to connect with a lender and even a real estate agent is now. Once you start the process with a lender, that lender will be able to look at your credit, look at the types of loan that you might qualify for, whether it's one or many, narrow down that budget for you, and then also give you a timeline if you're not quite ready. So a lot of us have these credit score simulators that we can take a look at your credit report and run different scenarios to see what actions you might be able to do to bring your scores up in the very short term. So lots of times we can give you a timeline, let you know how far out it might be before you can start the shopping and negotiating process. And a lesser known tip or trick when it comes to your credit is credit card balances. Try to keep the balance on your credit card at, I always say 25% or less, because that gives you a little bit of wiggle room. A lot of people say 30% or less, but as long as you don't exceed 25% of your max allowed limit, that is the healthiest level of debt for your credit score. And then a lot of people don't know this, but if you have very limited credit, or if you're just a few points shy of meeting that eligibility threshold for your credit score, if you have a family member or a spouse that can add you to their credit card as an authorized signer, it doesn't cost anything. You don't have to have your credit pulled to do that, but you just want to make sure that you're being added to a credit card with a really good payment history and not a high balance, 25% or less on their balance too. But then that way you reap all of the benefits of their credit reporting history, and your credit score could shoot up 10 to 30 points just by doing that alone. So if you would like to connect or have any questions, you can click the link in our bio, and we'll talk to you again soon.